Here we are, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to make some Nicaraguan food that's finger licking. Come right back for my Tostones with Cheechako chicken. Woo! Keep it paleo. Alright guys, here we are. I'm going to show you a meal that I made about a month ago when I was in Nicaragua. I had just learned to make tostones from Juana, my friend. So I put this one together, posted it to Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. So we're going to start off with 8 chicken thighs. You can use a breast if you want, but I like obviously the darker meat. So let's give this one a go. I'm going to season the top of these guys with the Cheechako taco from Paleo Grind. If you don't have any of this, you need some. Get it in your cupboard. You'll put it on everything. Start like that, and then a little olive oil, hot skillet going here. We'll go season side down, and then we'll season the top of them here. All right guys, while the chicken's coming along nicely, we're gonna make a quick papaya salsa. I've got 1 papaya here. I'm gonna cut about that much. Then we'll get inside. I've got a little spoon. I'm just gonna scoop out the seeds, cut the end off here, and I'll just kind of use my knife to peel around it just like you would like maybe a watermelon or pineapple. Let's go here. I'm just gonna cut. Let's go this way. So how do we know when a papaya is ready? It's very similar to an avocado, right? I say firm yet impressionable. So here, it's firm, but if I push, it gives, and this one's perfect. Okay, up next, we'll go with the poblano or pasilla pepper. They call this one chiltoma in Nicaragua, and these are pretty easy to find, the market. All right, then we'll add that to the bowl. We'll check in on our chicken. You can see here, it's becoming kind of whitish or opaque from the bottom side, and that's a good clue as to how far it's cooked. We're still under halfway, but I just want to take a look. Good caramelization there. Same there. Just make sure we're regulating that temperature so we're not burning it, but we are getting that good caramelization. I'm going to give this a few more minutes before we flip. Boom, we'll dice up 1 Roma tomato. We'll get that in the bowl as well. We've got 1 little red jalapeno for some heat. Check the seeds, not too many, so I'm good. I'm gonna throw that whole thing in there. Roll out this lime, slice it, boom. Then we'll just fold this together. The cilantro, normally I'm gonna get cilantro in here. Their cilantro in Nicaragua is different. They call it culantro, but I don't like it as much. It's a little bit spiny. It's got little thorns on the end. It works, but a lot of times I found myself just leaving it out. And there's enough color and flavor in here to make a man happy. I'm gonna give it some salt, and we'll just set this aside and flip our chicken. So the chicken's done here, guys. I cut the heat. I'm gonna pull these thighs out, chop them up. You ever chop Cheechako chicken? This is how you do it. Boom. All right guys, I'm gonna clean up the board and then it's time to plate. So here we are with our tostones. We brought those and we taught you how to make them last week, so that was fair game. We'll link that below. We've also got some guac. We've taught that 1,000 times, but we'll also link that one below. And then just our chicken and our salsa on top. We could easily call these Nicaraguan nachos, huh? How about that? So I've served them up kind of family style here. You might do this as like a platter at a party, but also, you know, 3 to 4 of these guys work well for a dinner, weeknight dinner, huh? So get out there, guys, give these ones a try. It's a new kind of nacho, and I'm Nick, as always, here helping you keep it paleo.